Hi everyone, how are you?
This is Mansi Malika, a tarot card reader, clairvoyant, energy worker. This 14th Feb is very well known all over the world as Valentine's Day, where we celebrate the vibration of love with our loved ones and especially our romantic partners. We express our love, we communicate our love in various formats. Now, this Valentine's, we are also having one other thing, having a lot of making a difference to the vibration in the cosmos, and that is Mercury retrograde. Mercury, which is a planet of communication, of logic, of mental dexterity, and then it is also going retrograde, which means it's going to cause a lot of miscommunication, delays, and kind of unexpected arguments even. But for some it can be positive. Now, gifts are a real great form to express your love, to communicate how much this person is really important for you, and it's a great feeling to tell someone how much you love them, especially in the form of gifts, because it's not about the materialistic value of the gift, but it's more about how much time you invested in selection of that gift, in making an effort to show to that person how much this person means to you. And today I'm going to talk about, as per your zodiac sign, how you can really choose the right gift for this person that would spark the love vibration between both of you in a very positive manner, despite of the Mercury going retrograde, which is actually ending on 21st of February. Mercury will be direct on 21st of February. So either you celebrate your Valentine's after 20th to avoid any kind of confusions, or if you must, then probably why not take the help of tarot cards to choose the right gift and communicate your love in a very beautiful manner, which will have a long lasting effects, positive effects in your life. Please, before I even forget, I would really request all of you to like this video if you really liked it, and if you would like to leave a feedback how this video helped you, maybe in selecting the right gift and how it worked out for you, what was your response of your partner. So it will be really amazing. This is the only support I'm expecting from all of you through this video in exchange of the reading I'm going to do. Leo zodiac sign, what kind of gift can you give to your partners this Valentine's to spark up that romance in your relationship and improve your love life despite of the Mercury retrograde and lots of miscommunication and off late things we know that are happening, which are not really contentful moments, but still love is the only thing that's real. So for the Leo zodiac sign, I have shuffled and now dividing the pile for all of you. Let's see what the card is telling me. Now I have 3 cards from each pile for you. Wow, beautiful. So it's like so apt. I've got a man and a woman and an anchor, which shows me that probably those who are looking forward to propose each other, they will get a positive response from their partner, the Leo zodiac signs. And if you are looking forward to finalizing your engagement or marriage date, then this day to decide the day for marriage is 14th Feb is a beautiful day to decide a marriage date or engagement date, to propose your partner, to tell them how much that person means to you. And also I also see that this is the time to, if you want this person to stay in your life, then this is the right time to anchor that relationship and make it stronger. You can also plan to go on a beach or a place that is near water. You can go out to enjoy what should I say, theme of a beach, of seaside would be amazing. Or you can watch a movie that is more set up at any water place, or a beach. So this is the vibe I'm getting. You can watch a movie related to mermaid or anything, any sea animals or any sea life. So sea is the theme that you guys can, help, that can help you to improve your relationship with each other and spark some romance. So the next reading, this reading is for Virgo, and what gift the Virgos should give to their partners to enjoy romance. I am cutting the cards, shuffling the cards. Now let's see what the Virgos have in store. Okay, Virgos, so I'm going to again divide it into 3 parts. Pull out a card for you. I have a clover, a tower, and a sickle. Okay, so in Lenormand, this is Lenormand deck I'm using, and it's a beautiful deck because it gives really apt answers about your daily routine, your action plan. So the cards are telling me about Virgos that you can gift your partner a night at a terrace place, something, maybe planning an activity on a terrace garden, or going on a terrace cafe, enjoying your time together there. And I also see that you guys can really visit a clock tower, or go to a government place, as in something that's related to government, and like Rajpath in India, or any beautiful place, maybe India Gate, where you can just have a drive, have that time together, and it's like a sudden plan. It should be a surprise plan. It shouldn't be like a very well planned scenario for both of you. Then it's going to be really amazing, because you guys are going to enjoy that time, that moment, that vibration with each other. So this is the message I'm getting for Virgos here. So all the best, Virgos, and I hope you have an amazing Valentine's, and don't forget to leave the feedback how it worked out for you.